100 chicken nuggets. That's a lot. Come on. Oh. I don't know if I can do it.
Yes, you can. You're almost done.
I got 36 left. It's still a lot. Still hot. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Reese the Beast back with another video, and I promised you guys that if I hit 100 subscribers, I would do another food challenge. So here we are. I hit 100 subscribers just a few days ago, and a promise is a promise. I'm a man of my word. So today we're going to be doing 100 chicken nuggets. Now normally this challenge is done with 2 people, but I am going to attempt to do it solo. But I'm going to try and shoot for 1 hour. I'm just going to eat it as fast as I can, and let's see how it goes. So real quick, we're going to get a physique update and a weigh-in just to see where we're at before the challenge, and we'll compare that to after the challenge to see how much of a difference there is.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might.
Alright, so that's what I'm looking like before the challenge. So let's get into these nuggets now.
Get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes.
That's a lot.
On the maze, the roads whipping through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. Plus a family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, we got a problem. I ain't perfect. Let them watch me elevating. Got them nauseous cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the house and woo. Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Woo. Set it up.
Alright guys, we're all set up. It's time to get this down. So this is my attempt at the 100 chicken nugget challenge by myself. Let's get a nugget ready. And this challenge is to say thanks to all those who subscribe to my channel already. I appreciate the support. For those of you that aren't subscribed, go ahead and bang that subscribe button down below, especially if you like food challenges, fitness, working out, dieting tips, and all of that. Hit that subscribe button because I've got more and more videos coming. And if you like food challenges, let's get to 500 subscribers and I'll do another big food challenge. Maybe 1,200 calories, 1,500 calories. Give me the 500 subscribers and we'll get another big food challenge out the way. Comment down below if you think that this is even possible. 100 chicken nuggets. Let me know if you think I can do it. And let's get started. All right, first nugget. You ready? And go. I'll put the total calories and macros for all 100 nuggets right here so you guys can see. Nuggets at a time.
Me must be out your mind. Lot of sun, smoky in the air. That's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me. Yeah. Big time, big time, big time.
10 minutes in. I've eaten at least 20 nuggets, if not more. I haven't been counting, but I'll put the count should be up here for you guys. I'd say I'm at least 25, so 1/4 of the way done, 10 minutes in. So we gotta keep this pace up, hopefully.
Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pun. Pockets running over with the dollar signs. Try and take it from me. Big time.
Ooh, hit my first wall already.
Big time. Number 9. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try and take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time. Lot of shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try and take it from me.
Alright, we're almost halfway done now. 16 minutes, and I've got 56 nuggets. So I'm making good on time. Will my stomach be able to hold up? That's the question. If you're liking the video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, give a thumbs up to Myra for letting us borrow her phone for the timer, or this wouldn't be possible. Since I'm using my phone to record, I had to ask her to give her phone up just so we can use it for the timer. So, at least give it a thumbs up to support her. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not going through all this pain for nothing. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the action with everything I'm going to be doing.
Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat. I'm a gamble with your life, cause you know that it's a bet. It's a bet. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat.
I got to keep moving it so I can burn some calories while I'm eating.
You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. I ain't never really wanna flex my gifts, but I think it's my time, let me check my wrist. You can never get my shine, I'ma keep on grinding till I reach the tip top. When it's just in my jeans and I ain't looking back. Cause you know that we winning, we with it, we going, we flowing again. I might just go by a Benz, I might just blow my advance. Whoa, I did it all for the feeling. Alive, but I'm making a killing. I'm gonna break every ceiling, cause I need a million, but I don't need your money, you can pay me in respect. Cause once I do it big, what's to follow is a check. I need 100 bags, nothing more, nothing less.
Come on.
I'm a threat. Oh yeah. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat. I'm a gamble with your life, cause you know that it's a bet. It's a bet. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word.
Alright, hit my first wall here, guys. Looks like we're just at about 25 minutes. Pretty good time, except I know I'm going to be slowing down here, so I don't think I'll hit the 1 hour mark, but we're going to try.
Almost done.
Ooh, I'm not almost done yet. I still got it. Oh, well, I'm more than halfway done.
Very doable.
Oh!
I don't do this for my health. Every threat is a champion. Got the title, need a belt. I don't need your money, you can pay me in respect. Once I do it big, what's to follow is a check. I need 100 bags, nothing more, nothing less. And the ops feel away, cause I'm next, I'm a threat. Oh yeah. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger, I'm a threat. It's a gamble with your life, cause you know that it's a bet. It's a bet. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. I don't take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger, I'm a threat. Gamble with your life, cause you know that it's a bet. It's a bet. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. I don't take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat.
Alright guys, we're just over halfway to my goal, what I'm trying to get. But I'm trying to get it in 1 hour. Let's see if we can do it. I got 40 nuggets left.
Numbers ran up, had to split it with the chops. Realest in the city, in my record, I fight, but your man's only chop when he do it in the raps like squad go lost and don't really care what it cost them. You don't wanna cross them. My lifestyle awesome, couldn't decide if my gal wanted to, so I bought them. Don't run trap, but I run up a check. Run, do it real big, gotta one up the next.
I'm not very good at swallowing things, but gotta get better at it. Do it.
Yes, you can. You're almost done.
Got 36 left. That's still a lot. Still hot. See what's underneath you?
I don't need your money, you can pay me in respect. Once I do it big, what's to follow? What's the check? I need 100 bags, nothing more, nothing less. And the ops feel away. I'm a threat. I'm a threat. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger, I'm a threat.
I know I'm getting full because I'm like chewing 100 times for something. My body's just doing it, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna swallow right now.
And he doesn't swallow.
Yeah.
Swallow.
Y'all in danger, I'm a threat. 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 Really, y'all don't know this. Y'all in danger, I'm a threat. 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 Really, y'all don't know this. Y'all in danger, I'm a
Alright guys, we're at the 1 hour mark. 1 hour, I was able to eat 70 nuggets. I appreciate all the support so far. This was a very hard challenge. If you can do it and you make a video of it, tag me, let me know. I'd love to see someone else try. That was rough. And my stomach is hating me right now. I'll put a clip up right here, physique update and the weight, to show you what I am after eating all those. And put the total calories and macros for everything I did eat right here for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I've got more food challenges to come. I talk about fitness and a bunch of other things, working out, dieting, and things that could be beneficial to you. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure to hit that subscribe button, show a little support, turn on your post notifications. I'll see you then.